Welcome back, friends, and in this video I am going to explain you about one problem while many of the users are facing when they are opening Facebook. Means if you are opening Facebook someday and you are just finding that this login error, an expected error occurred, please try logging it again. If you are facing this problem in your Facebook account in your mobile, then in this video I am going to tell you 2-3 things you need to check and correct, and I think that checks will solve your problem. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel and you like the video after completely watching this, please do consider to subscribe this channel. So the first thing, go to the settings, scroll down, go to the setting, and here in every mobile you will find apps. Go to the apps, then search for Facebook, and in Facebook just go to the storage, and here clear data, clear cache. From here you can do both clear data, clear cache. So it will take some time. If you have more data, this is the one thing you need to do. Then go back, and now just open the Play Store. In Play Store just search for Facebook, and if you are searching Facebook, and here if you are finding update, then please update the app. So after doing these two settings, these two things, just switch off your mobile and switch on, restart your mobile, and after that try to open Facebook. I think your problem will not come. After just clear data, clear cache, and after that update your Facebook app. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.